Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm showing you how to turn this orange here into a beautiful dessert that will wow people. And all you need is two ingredients. So let's get into it. So first of all, we're going to peel the orange. So how I like to peel my orange is to peel off the zest first, then remove all the white parts of the orange, um, and turn it into this. So it's whole, you can hold it and it's not juicy. Then we're going to cut them into rings. When you're selecting your oranges, make sure that it will fit into the mold you are going to use. So how you can do that is just drop it in the mold and squish it in and see if you get some space and it will fit in. So I have cut them here. Then we will continue to go ahead to use a very small, the smallest of circle cutter when you get a set, or you can use an apple, what we use to take the core of the apple as well, and you just cut the center of it so that it can sit in the mold comfortably. So I've gone ahead to do the others. These ones are a bit smaller, so they will be used for a different purpose as well. So as I said, I've gone ahead to make what I'm made for this tutorial. So I'm just going to pat down with the paper towel, and I've laid down on the paper towel as well to absorb as much water as it can. And to do this just to make sure that any extra juice is absorbed from it. Then I will just go put it in the fridge for it to chill and be a bit dry. So while it's in the fridge, I go ahead to melt down my chocolate. You can melt the chocolate either in a microwave or a double boiler. I prefer a double boiler, while you boil water and you just set the glass of bowl on top without the water touching the bowl and stirring till it melts. It's easy to control the heat, and also you can easily reheat if it's getting thicker. So I just go ahead to spoon about 2 tablespoons into each bowl, and I'm using a brush here, pastry brush, to just spread the chocolate to coat all the sides of the mold, so when you drop in the fruit, all the fruit will be covered and no juice will escape. And especially the center part, you make sure that it is well covered, so that when we mold on the fruit, it will be whole. So as you're seeing, I'm just dropping in the oranges. I just brought it out of the fridge and I'm just dropping them into the bowls. And afterwards, I'm going to add chocolate to cover the top and all around as well. So the purpose is to make sure that every bit of the orange is covered. And you can use any fruit you want, um, but make sure the chocolate covers everything. So I did that, and I left it in the fridge to firm up about 1 hour or as long as you prefer, and also depending on the temperature of your refrigerator. So I just leave it on to firm up, then I just unmold as easy as it is. At this point, I'm wearing gloves, but you can wear gloves from the beginning, cutting your oranges, especially if you are serving it to a guest. This is just for home consumption, so I don't mind. But with the chocolate, it can it can make your hands very dirty. So you just put on gloves to unmold and also prevent fingertips on the your product as well. So I've just gone ahead to drizzle a little bit of melted chocolate on top of the orange and add in some sprinkles. So this is where your designs can come in to suit your occasion. You can vary the colors. You can add the bowl. You can make different theme for a birthday party or anything you want. You can still do this dessert even if you don't have the bowl. So what I did here is melted the chocolate as I used for the first one, and also continue to dry the oranges to make sure most liquid has been absorbed and it feels a bit drier. Then you just dip them in the chocolate and firm it up in the refrigerator, and you can decorate it as you want as well, and it also looks beautiful and presentable. So I hope you guys like this, and you can create your own very quick and easy. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll be glad to respond to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.